So, audio diary na naman. Because, wala lang akong makausap. Plus, I really don't want to talk with anyone because I realize na hindi rin naman tatagal. So, I'm just wasting my saliva over someone who won't stay for a long time. Plus, I'm just gonna, reveal my life stories na naman sa isang tao na obviously wala namang pakialam sa buhay ko. That's why I will stop talking with someone na. Anyways, I realized that I've cried over men countless times na, and basically dalawang tao lang naman yon. So ayun, right now it's funny because wala na akong maiyak. Parang namanhid na ako. Of course, meron pa ring pakiramdam na parang medyo nasasad ako, nagiging emotional. But this time, kaya ko nang pigilan yung sarili ko. Which means, hindi na siya ganun ka-deep. So yeah, I'm doing great. And hopefully, tuloy-tuloy to na wala na sa akin whether may kausap ako or wala. Because I was able to exist noong 2021 and 2022 na walang kausap. So I guess kaya ko rin yun this time. And hopefully magkaroon na ako ng career, and by that time mag-focus na ako doon. So yeah, I guess ayun lang naman yung audio ko for tonight. And what else should I talk about? Yun nga, tinry ko ulit makipag-usap sa ibang tao, but it turns out na parang ayoko na. Like, ang boring na talaga. Or siguro dahil hindi nang naging nonchalant na lang din ako dahil sa mga former kong nakausap na nonchalant. Yung parang nakuha ko na yung ugali nila. Kaya ayun, parang nawalan na rin ako ng gana makipag-usap sa kahit na sino. So yeah, life is great. Life is doing well. I'm just I'm still waiting for my job offer. Hopefully talaga ma-employed na ako. Though I can wait naman, 'di ba? Sabi ko until January. That's all. Babush. Yes. Todo na to.